good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So last video, y'all seen that I installed my VLAN tail lights into the 440i. They came out really good. And these lights are like really clean. So today what we're gonna be doing is installing the new spoiler and the carbon fiber mirror caps to the 440i. They both came from RWCarbon. I'm gonna leave a link in the description just in case you guys wanna buy them, but I'll show them to you real quick. So this is the spoiler and the mirror caps. These are real carbon, by the way. As you can see on the inside, you can see the woven pattern. So these are authentic carbon. They look really clean, really good. I'm really excited about that spoiler. The spoiler looks really great to me. First, we're gonna start off with the mirror caps. I believe the mirror caps are a lot easier than the spoiler, so we'll get started with the mirror caps first. The first part is kind of hard, and that's getting this little mirror off. So what we do is we put one hand here to kind of keep it from falling, and then we put the pry tool right underneath and try to pop it out. And once we get it popped out, it'll be a lot easier of getting it out of the other parts, and then it should just slide straight out after that. All right, so now that we got the mirror off, the next thing that we do is 3 clips. Is one here, one there, and then there's one there. And what we do is just pop those clips out, and then once we do that, the whole mirror cap on the outside should come off. All right, so now that we got the mirror cap off, all we do is just pop this mirror into the same spots as that one. The holes right there, there, and there. It should be a quick just pop in and then attach the mirror back, and then we'll be done. It looks pretty good to me. All right, so now we do the other side. All right, so good news is I did get this side on too, but bad news is I was trying to rush and stuff, and I ended up cracking the goddamn mirror. So please be careful when you do these because the mirror can crack. It shouldn't be that expensive to fix, but we'll see. All right, but next step is adding the spoiler. I'm very excited about this part, but I'm a little nervous. I don't know why, but first thing we need to do is clean this off and then wipe it down with alcohol. All right, now the next step is to add this adhesive promotion for the 3M we're gonna put on the back side of the spoiler. So we're gonna put this on and then let it dry for like a minute, half, maybe 2 minutes. All right, so now the next step is to add the 3M all the way across, top and bottom. All right, now that we got the 3M all the way across it, what we're gonna do now is pick it up and just put it right here just to see like how we're gonna line it up. And then once we get it lined up how we want it, we're gonna lift it up, pull the 3M back, and then push it and hold it down for about 30 seconds to make sure that it sticks. All right, so I decided what I think I'm gonna do is to do the tape method. So I'm gonna tape it up along the ends, the middle, then the other end. That way I can keep it lined up how I want it, and then I'll remove the adhesive along the way, and then I'll stick it down. But I just don't wanna mess up because you only get one chance really to get it on there. So let's make sure just tape it up, keep it in the spot that I want to, then we'll remove the 3M adhesive. All right, so we got it lined up exactly what we wanted, as you can see. So now what we're gonna do is lift it and then pull back the tape and then hold it down. I'm a little nervous about this part, I ain't gonna lie, but we'll see how it goes. All right, so we did end up getting the spoiler put on all the way. The camera did die while I was installing it, but we did end up completing it and putting it on. It came out amazing. Like, I love the way it looked. I'm gonna insert some beauty clips in right now. But yeah, my favorite part is just the carbon fiber look. Like, it just looks so good. Just the carbon fiber with the black, with the tail lights. Like, it just flows together so good. Like, just look at that. That looks so good. Can't forget the mirror caps either. The one thing I am sad about is this broken mirror right here. But I looked it up and the mirror's only like $20, so that's an easy fix. So I'm sad, but I'll get it fixed. That's no problem. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video here. Comment below what you think I should do next, what you're looking forward to. Make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for the next video, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace out.